the global efforts to find a long-term solution to the pandemic continue, whether that's through a vaccine or treatment. And I'm absolutely delighted that the biggest breakthrough yet has been made by a fantastic team of scientists right here in the UK.
A couple of weeks ago, we declared an answer on hydroxychloroquine, showing that in hospitalised patients it doesn't work. And this week we've got some news on dexamethasone, which, as we've heard, is a steroid drug. It's an old drug. Some people would say it's a very boring drug. It's been around for 60-odd years. It's very cheap. It costs pounds, and overseas it costs pennies. And so we closed that arm of the trial on Monday, the 8th of June, because we had enrolled more than 2,000 patients on dexamethasone, and we compared them to 4,000 patients who had standard of care. And what we saw was really quite remarkable.
It reduces the death for those who are in hospital who require oxygen or in ICU and require oxygen. And it's a very important effect. But, as Peter said, it's roughly 1 in 8 who survive as a result of this. A very important effect, but certainly not an effect size that would say, well, therefore you don't need to worry about the other measures to try and reduce the spread of this infection.
This drug, dexamethasone, can now be made available across the NHS. And we've taken steps to ensure we have enough supplies, even in the event of a second peak. Of course, while the chances of dying from COVID-19 have been greatly reduced by this treatment, or significantly reduced by this treatment, they're still far too high.